We have recently set up a post-COVID care clinic within the district. It has been observed that many of the people, especially those who have some comorbidities like diabetes, lung issues, heart issues, post-COVID discharge are having many of the complications related to heart, related to lungs. Some people are facing nerve ailments also. This experiment of post-COVID care clinic was tried in Chennai and it was found to be very useful for the people. Government of India also has been recommending proper post-COVID care and also proper maintenance of records of all such cases. So keeping all those things in mind, we have set up a post-COVID care center within the government hospital Karaikal. All the facilities, normal basic diagnostic facilities like echo, ECG, X-ray, scan, blood tests, all are available within the OPD times of 8 to 10:30 on every day excluding Sunday. So from Monday to Saturday, any time between 8 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. people can go visit this post-COVID care clinic and all these tests can be done for these people. Apart from that, we have also set up a 24/7 telephone facility for these people. If such people who have been discharged from COVID, number is 04368 261 242, the same helpline of the health department which is working. So this number can be contacted and appropriate medical guidance and care will be given. Second thing is regarding the psychological support services. So it has been observed that many of the people who are out of quarantine or who have been discharged from COVID need some sort of psychological mental support either for them or for their family members. So we have roped in the experts from the social welfare who have the requisite experience in this field to help and provide psychological support services. We have issued a press release in this regard also. The numbers are also there in the press release. These services can be availed of by any person in Karaikal who is facing such sort of mental psychological issues. Earlier also a facility was opened that also received a good response. I am hopeful that this facility will also receive a good response from the people of Karaikal. Noted that since we are expecting the number of COVID cases to rise in the district given the spike of cases in neighboring districts of Nagapattinam and Thiruvarur, the number of beds requirement would be more. Keeping that in mind, using the Disaster Management Act, the district administration has requisitioned around 300 beds in the Vinayaga Mission Medical College, which is a private medical establishment. The authorities of the Vinayaga Mission are already coordinating with us and have already set up around 150 beds within the campus of the Vinayaga Mission Medical College. So, this increases our bed strength and our capacity to fight the pandemic. I am thankful to the authorities of Vinayaga Mission for helping us in this regard, and I am hopeful that their support and coordination will be healthy in future also. Regarding testing, many queries have been raised. We have already started antigen testing within the districts. Around 50 antigen tests have already been performed in the district. I am happy to share that the confirmatory rate of the antigen testing in the district is also good. That means the antigen testing is working with a good degree of confidence in the district. Apart from that, we have also started the antibody testing, which is known as the sero testing, in which the blood samples are taken. So antibody testing has already been started in the district, and within the containment zones, blood samples are being taken of the people to check the level of spread of infection. Regarding TrueNAT machines, 2 TrueNAT machines have been received and they will be made functional by end of this week. So from next week, TrueNAT testing will also start in the district. We have also requested Vinayaga Mission Medical College to start up the RT-PCR facility within their campus. So Vinayaga Mission will soon also have a RT-PCR testing infrastructure within their establishment. Thank you. Interviews of the general duty medical officers, the nursing officers and the ANMs. So as you are all aware, we have issued a press release for walk-in interviews for these 3 posts. All the educational qualifications, the experience and the performance in the personal test or the interview will be ascertained to check the suitability of the candidates for this interview test. I request all the eligible people in the district of Karaikal to apply and to help the district and your society as a whole to fight this pandemic together. On the first day, we have received a good response. Around 150 to 200 people in the 3 different streams have applied, and currently we are checking their documents and interviews will also be held shortly. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, we have started the process of rice distribution to the BPL card holders for the last 3 months. There are around 91 fair price shops in the district of Karaikal. Today we have started with 32 fair price shops. Soon we will be covering the entire district in next 2 to 3 days. I am hopeful that by Monday or Tuesday of next week, the entire rice distribution in all the 91 fair price shops under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana will be over. This rice distribution we are doing from the campuses of different government schools, utilizing the staff of the fair price shops which is already available with the district. So I request all the people to coordinate with the government officials who are involved in the exercise of rice distribution, while also maintaining social distancing and wearing of masks in public. Thank you.